What is an adverb? Adverb क्या है? An adverb is a word that modifies a verb, an adjective, another adverb, or a whole sentence. Adverb ऐसा लफ्ज होता है जो फेल, सिफत, किसी और adverb या पूरे जुमले की वजाहत करता है. It tells us how, when, where, how often, why, or to what extent an action is done. ये हमें बताता है कि कोई काम कैसे, कब, कहाँ, कितनी बार, क्यों या किस हद तक किया गया. Examples. He speaks clearly. वो साफ तौर पर बोलता है. Here clearly modifies the verb speaks. यहाँ clearly fail speaks की वजाहत कर रहा है. She is very intelligent. वो बहुत ज़हीन है. Very modifies the adjective intelligent. Very सिफत intelligent की वजाहत कर रहा है. He runs quite fast. वो काफ़ी तेज दौड़ता है. Quite modifies the verb fast की वजाहत कर रहा है. Types of adverbs with functions, line by line. Adverb की अक़साम, बिमा अफ़आल. 1. Adverb of manner. हाली तरीका का adverb. It tells how an action is done. ये बताता है कि काम कैसे किया गया. Examples. Slowly, carefully, well, badly. आसस्ता, एहतियात से, अच्छे तरीके से, बुरे तरीके से. Sentence. He wrote the letter carefully. Jumla, इसने खत एहतियात से लिखा. Function. It modifies a verb by showing manner. ये फेल की वजाहत तरीका बताकर करता है. Do. Adverb of time. हाली वक्त का adverb. It tells when an action happens. ये बताता है कि काम कब हुआ. Examples. Now, today, yesterday, soon. मिसालें. अब, आज, कल, जल्द. Sentence. She will come tomorrow. जमला वो कल आएगी. Function. It shows the time of action. ये फेल के वक्त को जाहिर करता है. 3. Adverb of place. हाली जगह का adverb. It tells where an action happens. ये बताता है कि काम कहाँ हुआ. Examples. Here, there, outside, inside. मिसालें. यहाँ, वहाँ, बाहर, अंदर. Sentence. The children are playing outside. जुमला बच्चे बाहर खेल रहे हैं. Function. It shows place or direction. ये जगह या सिमत बताता है. Adverb of frequency. हाली तकरार का adverb. It tells how often an action occurs. ये बताता है कि काम कितनी बार होता है. Examples. Always, fun, usually, never. मिसाली. हमेशा अक्सर उमूमन कभी नहीं. Sentence. He always speaks the truth. जुमला वो हमेशा सच बोलता है. Function. It shows repetition or regularity. ये तकरार या आदत को जाहिर करता है. 5. Adverb of degree. हाल मकदार हद का adverb. It tells how much or to what extent. ये बताता है कि किस हद तक या कितना. Examples. Very, too, quite, almost. मिसालें बहुत हद से ज़्यादा, काफ़ी, तकरीबन. She is very tired. जुमला वो बहुत थकी हुई है. Function. It modifies adjectives or adverbs. ये सिफत या adverb की वजाहत करता है. 6. Adverb of reason, cause. हाल सबब का adverb. It tells why something happens. ये बताता है कि कोई काम क्यों हुआ. Adverb of reason, cause. हाल सबब का adverb. It tells why something happens. ये बताता है कि कोई काम क्यों हुआ. Examples. Therefore, thus, hence, so. मिसालें. लिहाजा इसलिए चनांचा. Sentence. He was ill, therefore he stayed home. जुमला वो बीमार था, लिहाजा वो घर रहा. Function. Shows cause or result. अफ़आल सबब या नतीजा जाहिर करता है. 7. Interrogative adverb. They are used to ask questions. ये सवाल पूछने के लिए इस्तेमाल होते हैं. Examples. When, where, why, how. मिसालें कब, कहाँ, क्यों, कैसे. Sentence. Why are you late? जुमला तुम देर से क्यों आए हो. Function introduces questions. अफ़आल सवालात मुतारिफ कराते हैं. Relative adverbs. मौसूली adverb. They join clauses and refer to a noun. ये जुमलों को मिलाते हैं और इसम की तरफ इशारा करते हैं. Examples. When, where, why. मिसालें कब, कहाँ, क्यों. Sentence. This is the reason why he failed. जुमला यही वजह है जिसकी वजह से वो नाकाम हुआ. Function. Connects clauses and modifies nouns. अफ़आल जुमलों को जोड़ता है और इसम की वजाहत करता है. Sentence adverbs. Sentence adverb. They modify the whole sentence. ये पूरे जुमले की वजाहत करते हैं. Examples. Fortunately, honestly, surely. मिसालें. खुशकिस्मती से, ईमानदारी से, यकीनन. Sentence. Fortunately, no one was hurt. जुमला खुशकिस्मती से कोई जख्मी नहीं हुआ. Function shows speaker's attitude. अफ़आल बोलने वाले के रवैये को जाहिर करता है. Functions of adverbs. Adverb के अफ़ाल खुलासा. An adverb can modify a verb. Adverb फ़ेल की वज़ाहत कर सकता है. An adverb can modify an adjective. Adverb सिफ़त की वज़ाहत कर सकता है. An adverb can modify another adverb. Adverb किसी दूसरे adverb की वज़ाहत कर सकता है. An adverb can modify a whole sentence. Adverb पूरे जुमले की वज़ाहत भी कर सकता है. It can express time, place, manner, frequency, degree, or reason. ये वक्त, जगह, तरीका, तकरार, हद या सबब ज़ाहिर कर सकता है. Q1. Identify the adverb in the sentence. जुमले में adverb की निशानदाही करें. He drives carefully on the road. A. Drives B carefully, C road, D answer B carefully. MCQ2. The word often is an adverb of lafz often. किस किस्म का adverb है? Manner, B frequency, C degree, D place. And CQ3. Choose the correct sentence. Durst jumla muntakhab kare. A. She sings beautiful. She sings beautifully. C. She beautifully sings. D. She sing beautifully. She sings beautifully. MCQ4. Identify the adverb in the sentence. Jumle mein adverb ki nishandahi kare. He is extremely intelligent. A. B is C. Extremely. D. Intelligent. Answer C. Extremely. Which adverb modifies a verb? कौन सा adverb fail की वजाहत करता है? A. Slowly, very, the quite, almost. Answer A. Slowly. Imps immediately tells us about. Lefts immediately हमें क्या बताता है? Manner, B. Time, C. Place, D. Degree, B. Time. Imps 7. Which adverb modifies an adjective? कौन सा adverb सिफत की वजाहत करता है? A. Quite, B. Slowly, C. Here, D. Often. MCQ 8. Identify the adverb of place. Adverb of place की निशानदेही करें. The children are playing outside. A. Children. B. Playing. C. Outside. D. Outside. MCQ 9. Which word is a sentence adverb? कौन सा left a sentence surprisingly? B. Fast, carefully. D. Often, surprisingly. Y is used as लफ्ज़ Y के तौर पर इस्तेमाल होता है. A. Adverb of manner. B. Interrogative adverb. C. Relative adverb. D. Adverb of frequency. B. Interrogative adverb. MCQ 11. Choose the adverb in jumle mein adverb perfect. I will make a set of 50 advanced level objective MCQs on adverbs with line-by-line Urdu translation and answers. Choose the adverb in jumle mein adverb perfect. I will make a set of 50 advanced level objective MCQs on adverbs with line-by-line. वो तकरीबन अपना homework मुकम्मल कर चुकी थी. Identify the adverb. Adverb की निशान करें. A. B. Almost. C. Finished. D. Homework. Answer B. Almost. Therefore is an adverb of लफ्ज़ therefore किस किस्म का adverb है? Manner, reason, cause, sabab. C. Frequency, takrar. D. Degree, head. Answer B. Reason 13. Choose the correct sentence. Durust jumla muntakhab kare. A. She ran quick. B. She ran quickly. C. She quickly run. She quick ran. B. She ran quickly. Which adverb shows degree? कौन सा adverb had zahir karta hai? A. To. B. Here. Yesterday. D. Often. 2. MCQ here tells us about laf is here हमें क्या बताता है? A. Manner, tariq. B. Place, time, waqt. D. Degree, had. MCQ scenes. She hardly knew anyone at the party. इसने तकरीब में तकरीबन किसी को नहीं जाना. Identify the adverb. Adverb की निशानदाही करें. A. Hardly, knew. C. Anyone. D. Hardly. MCQ set quite modifies. लफ्ज़ quite किसकी वजाहत करता है? Verb. B. Adjective or adverb. Sifat, noun, ism. Answer B. Adjective or adverb. Hint, I don't know the reason why he left. मुझे वजह नहीं मालूम कि वो क्यों गया. Identify the relative adverb. मौसूली adverb की निशानदाही करें. A. Don't. B. Why. C. Left. Reason. Answer why. Which adverb shows frequency? कौन सा adverb तकरार ज़ाहिर करता है? Often. B. Slowly. C. Here. D. Very. Answer often. Choose the correct sentence. Durst jumla muntakhab kare. She speaks very well. B. She speaks well very. C. She very speaks well. D. She speaks well very. She speaks very well. MC 21. Which adverb is used to ask questions? कौन सा adverb सवाल करने के लिए इस्तेमाल होता है? A. How B. D. Outside. MC 20. He writes neatly and quickly. वो साफ और तेज लिखता है. Identify the adverbs. Adverb की निशानदेही करें. Writes B. Neatly. C. Quickly. D. Both B and C answer. both B23. She is extremely talented. वो बहुत बासलाहियत है. Choose the adverb of degree. हद ज़ाहिर करने वाला adverb मुंतखब करें. She be extremely, C talented extremely. NC24, which is a sentence adverb. कौन सा sentence adverb है honestly? B fast, C slowly, D soon. N25, he answered politely to the teacher. इसने उस्ताद को शाइस्तगी से जवाब दिया. Identify the adverb of manner. तरीका ज़ाहिर करने वाला adverb मुंतखब करें. Answered, B politely, C teacher, D he politely. MCQ 26, yesterday is an adverb of lafz yesterday किस किस्म का adverb है? A time वक्त, B place जगह, C manner frequency tikrar. Answer A time. Choose the correct use of adverb. Adverb का सही इस्तेमाल मुंतखब करें. He arrived late. वो देर से पहुंचा. A late adverb. C late, D late verb. MCQ T8, which adverb shows cause? कौन सा adverb सबब ज़ाहिर करता है? Therefore, B slowly, C often, D therefore. MCQ 9, they spoke very softly during the meeting. इन्होंने मीटिंग के दौरान बहुत नरमी से बात की. Identify the adverbs. Adverb की निशानदही करें. A spoke, B very, C softly. D both B and C answer. D both B and C. Ash MCQ 30, almost is an adverb of lafz almost किस किस्म का adverb है? Frequency takrar, C place जगह, D time वक्त. MCQ 1, which adverb modifies another adverb? कौन सा adverb किसी दूसरे adverb की वजाहत करता है? Very, B slowly, C here, today. Very MCQ 30D. When will the train arrive? Train कब पहुंचेगी? Identify the interrogative adverb. सवालिया adverb की निशानदही करें. A will, B when, C arrive, D train. Answer Q33. She hardly knew anyone. इसे तकरीबन किसी को नहीं जानती थी. Identify the adverb. Adverb की निशानदही करें. Hardly, B knew, she one. A hardly. MCE4, which is an adverb of place. कौन सा adverb जगह ज़ाहिर करता है? A, now, B, everywhere, C, often, dairy, very, everywhere. Q35, he completed the task quickly. इसने काम जल्दी मुकम्मल किया. Choose the correct use. सही इस्तेमाल मुंतखब करें. Quickly, D, C, quickly, D, quickly, pronoun. MCQ 36, which adverb modifies a whole sentence? कौन सा adverb पूरे जमले की वजाहत करता है? Unfortunately, B, slowly, C, fast, often answer, unfortunately. MCQ 37, I usually go to the gym. मैं अमूमन जम जाता हूँ. Identify the adverb of frequency. तकरार ज़ाहिर करने वाला adverb मुंतखब करें. A, I, B, usually, C, go, gym, gym. MC30, it rained heavily, hence the match was cancelled. बारिश ज़्यादा हुई इसलिए मैच मनसूख कर दिया गया. Choose the adverb of reason. सबब ज़ाहिर करने वाला adverb मुंतखब करें. A, heavily, B, hence, match, cancelled. Answer 39, he drives very carefully. वो बहुत एहतियात से गाड़ी चलाता है. Identify the adverbs. Adverb की निशानदही करें. Very, B, carefully, C, D, drives. Answer both A and B. She is extremely happy. वो बहुत खुश है. Which adverb of degree is correct? सही हद ज़ाहिर करने वाला adverb मुंतखब करें. A, extremely, B, happy, C, she, D. Answer A, extremely. MCQ 41, soon tells us about lafz soon हमें क्या बताता है? Manner, B, time, C, D, frequency. MC, he is quite talented. वो काफी बसलाहियत है. Identify the adverb modifying adjective. सिफत की वजाहत करने वाला adverb मुंतखब करें. He, quite talented, D is. MC 43, which word is not an adverb? कौन सा लफ्ज adverb नहीं है? A, slowly, B, very, C, quickly, D, happiness. MC 44, she answered politely. इसने शाइस्तगी से जवाब दिया. Choose the correct sentence. दुरुस्त जमला मुंतखब करें. A, politely she answered. B, she answered politely. C, she politely answered. D, all of the above. Answer D, all of the above. MC 45, he spoke softly. इसने नरमी से बात की. Identify the adverb of manner. तरीका ज़ाहिर करने वाला adverb मुंतखब करें. A, he. B, spoke. C, softly. D, none. Answer, MCQ 46 almost modifies. Love is almost किसकी वजाहत करता है? A, noun. B, adverb or adjective. C, verb. B, adverb or adjective. Each adverb is interrogative. कौन सा adverb सवालिया है? Where? B. Slowly. C. Always. The answer A. Where? MCQ 48. Honestly, I didn't know about it. ईमानदारी से मुझे इसके बारे में मालूम नहीं था. Identify the sentence adverb. Sentence adverb इंतखब करें. A. Honestly. B. I see. Didn't. D. Honestly. MC 49. Which adverb shows frequency? कौन सा adverb तकरार दिखाता है? Never. B. There. Slowly. D. Extremely. Never. MC 50. They looked everywhere for their keys. इन्होंने अपनी चाबियां हर जगह तलाश की हैं. Choose the adverb of place. जगह जाहिर करने वाला adverb मुंतखब करें. A. Looked. B. Everywhere. C. Keys. The answer, everywhere.